Good evening, good evening everybody. Tonight we're going to have a Chinese takeaway. I'm not going to make it, we're going to buy it and get it delivered. It's so much easier. To be honest, the only thing that I don't get is egg fried rice. It's one of these little containers filled with egg fried rice, and I do begrudge paying £3 or £4 for one of these when it's just so easy and cheap to make for yourself. And if you have a Chinese once a week, it's 52 times a year you would save £3 or £4 for one of these little containers. That works out. That's over £200 you could save. So let me show you how to make this stuff. Now here I have a flat bottomed wok. It sits a bit easier on the cooker, like that. It's quite a small one, so we'll place that on to begin with, like that, and get it warmed up. In we go with a splash of oil. I'm going to use one egg. That'll be plenty enough for one of those takeaway boxes. I'm going to put this into a pan, or wok I should say. It is scrambled. We're going to add this rice. Now it's quite often better if it's easy to explain that I can cook this the day before, leave it in the fridge overnight, and the rice tends to dry out, and that way when you make your egg fried rice it's not so sort of slushy, if you like. So in we go with the rice. Mix this in, and at the same time it's reheating the rice. We can add a touch more oil just to make it glisten a bit more. There you have it, egg fried rice. Now to make this a little bit more interesting, you can add some garden peas that have already been boiled. In they go, and straight away you can see it looks a lot more interesting, doesn't it? The colours. You can add shrimp, chopped ham, and if you do that, then you can call it special fried rice. Job done. There we go. I saved £4. Well, that's it. That's my egg fried rice done. I've just got to wait for the rest of the Chinese meal delivery now. Come on guys, get your finger out. We haven't got all night, have we? I'm hungry. Well, thanks again for watching this latest video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you saved, what did I say, £200 a year? Oh, that sounds pretty good to me. So don't forget, any comments down below, and please subscribe if you haven't already done so. See you again next time. Bye.